Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you this useless feature some genius at Freightliner came up with. And here it is. It's called a light test. Basically how it works, you press it and it goes through all your lights. And you can see if something is not working, right? I don't understand this feature because when I do my pre-trip, I'm gonna turn on my lights and go through the whole truck anyways. But in order for this feature to work, see, they put in modules. You got two of them. And if your right blinker or left blinker goes out, it's gonna be incorporated into this one. You see how that is? So anytime you turn your key, the white light comes on. Anytime you turn on your turn signal, the orange comes on. And this is what gets burned out. So there's no light bulbs anywhere on this. You can't replace just the light bulb. You literally have to replace either the module, which is $311 at the dealership, or you have to replace the whole headlight, which is $390. Now what I did, I ordered mine from eBay. It was $150, brand new, complete headlight, and they're fairly simple to replace. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here. So you just unplug it, unscrew these, take it out, put the new one back in. Now this one being from eBay, not all of these matched up, so these three did, right here, and that one. But this one, I had to bend it a little bit with my plier down in order to fit in the hole. Okay, and then you have this cover here. You can take that off. It'll just give you some easier access, and it just bolts on here. So the tools you're gonna need for this are very simple. A number 10 here. This one you actually won't need. I just used it to take off the module and show you guys. Phillips screwdriver, any kind of pliers, and just a regular screwdriver to take out the plug. So I only replaced my passenger side, and I'm gonna wait until it gets dark, and then I'm gonna adjust the height to my driver's side because I didn't replace that one, so that gives me an accurate reading. And the way to do that, it's going to be on the bottom here. You need a Phillips screwdriver. So if you turn it to the right, it'll lift it up. Turning it to the left, it'll lower it down. If you like my videos, like, subscribe. I will be filming my every trip for 2026, and I will see you in the next vlog.